So hey, I'm Rajat. I'm currently working as a product manager in Medley. I'm an engineer turned product manager. So I did my majors in information technology from Walden College of Engineering. It's a tier 3 city. I did my engineering over there. After that, my first job was in a company called as a software consultancy firm called as ThoughtWorks, wherein I did consulting for a good company. It's a Southeast Asian unicorn right now. After that, I moved on into health tech, US health tech, for the later part of my engineering. And I was working over there as a backend engineer. Uh, uh, Doing that for an year, I transitioned into product then internally over there itself. So currently, I am still in that company and working as an associate product manager. Of course, and then through Appraised, I've been offered job at IndiaGo. That's what I would be joining in. Product management is not a very structured field, and we can find many courses available out there, right? But they're very theoretical in nature. And so coming from an engineering background, I knew that how theoretically things are taught. I did not want to go like that. So that was one. Second thing, there is a lot of good material available in the market, but there isn't a well-defined path, course, curriculum required to attain those skills. That was a second challenge, I would say. A third thing also I would like to say is the kind of product management skills required and they differ a lot company by company as well, right? So I wanted to build that nuanced understanding of, for example, if I'm working in a B2C company, I did not know anything about that. So one thing I really liked about the learning journey, and this was from the first task itself, so it was how close it is to the current work I do right now, right? So even whatever tasks that we do, they are very closely associated, or the way a real product manager does. That was one. Second thing was it added a lot of structure, plus it short-circuited the process of learning and the time to value, right, for a course. So I could actually start in the first week itself. I started getting value out of the program because I started applying to my day job. So I would say that, and one of the key things, and this is an appreciation thing for Aditya, that the amount of research and effort he has put into that's a lot, and he has condensed them into such an easily digestible form that you don't have to do things. He also talks about the red flags that a student gets into while doing certain things, right? That was one. The second thing is there is a bar for quality as well. So the task and the learning journey, so you have to cross that bar, right? You cannot be like, you have to just put in your like 60-70%. You have to put in more than your maybe 100% to just get through that bar, reach that quality, and then only you are put into other things. So I really like that. It's not just a theoretical thing. You get, oh, I understand this, I read this thing. You have to apply, do that practically in short tasks and do. I was underconfident when I started Appraised. So I was like, oh, maybe am I going to get a job or not, right? But like, as you know, right, I did not even finish the program. I started applying, I started getting interviews and actually got an offer, just because I got that confidence, skills, what is required on the job and in the interviews to score that opportunity. So I think that's the most that's the one important thing, and it's long-term effects, right? So for example, it has set me up for success for a long time now. It's not just that I'm planning for 2-3 years. It has set me up for success for maybe a decade, a couple of decades. I think that's the most return on investment you can have for things. All right. The primary reason for moving into startups was the growth opportunities it presents. That's one. And with growth opportunities, you can make a lot of impact, right? And grow as well. So anyway, for the first year, I was an engineer. Now I want to be in a situation wherein so the time that I invest, I get a lot of returns in terms of learning and growth. And I know that startups are not going to be easy for this thing, but I think that's the fastest and shortest way to achieve the growth that I want.